actions.
Run.
Run.
The boy is running.
The boy is running.
Boy.
Run. Read.
Read.
The girl reads a green book.
The girl reads a green book.
Girl.
Read. Book. Jump.
Jump.
The boy makes a big jump.
The boy makes a big jump.
Boy.
Jump.
Write.
Write.
Jane writes on paper.
Jane writes on paper.
Write. Paper. Run.
Run.
Read.
Read.
Jump.
Jump. Write.
Write. Wild. Gray.
Game.
Wild. Gray. Game.
Join.
Wood.
Wire.
Things at home. Door.
Door. The door is decorated with a fir wreath.
The door is decorated with a fir wreath.
Door.
Fir.
Window.
Window.
The garden is outside the windows.
The garden is outside the windows. Garden.
Window.
Fan.
Fan.
The electric fan is rotating clockwise.
The electric fan is rotating clockwise. Fan.
Light switch.
Light switch.
The man is repairing the light switch.
The man is repairing the light switch. Man. Repair. Light switch.
Door.
Door.
Window.
Window.
Fan.
Fan.
Light switch.
Light switch.
Ud. Ud. Stud. Stud. Ud. Cud. Cud. Ud. Bud. Bud. Ud sound.
Bud. Mud.
Cud. Stud. Thud. Dud. Garden.
Windows.
The garden is outside the windows.
The garden is outside the windows.
Writes.
Paper.
Jane writes on paper.
Jane writes on paper.
Girl.
Reads.
Book.
The girl reads a green book.
The girl reads a green book. Which one is?
Wild. Awesome!
Can you pick out? Wood.
Fantastic!
Can you pick out?
Join.
That is right. Tap on the picture to hear the word. Tap on the question mark to find the missing sound.
D.
Great job!
Stud.
D.
That's right. Bud.
Hooray! You have finished a lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.